Hi guys, and it's me, Ranch Mala again, and we're not talking about that chemistry. We're talking about a new gift for me, this Kiwi craft kit, and it says my name. See? Usually it says my dad's name, but here it says my name. Isn't that cool? So now maybe we can open it. Here we have some tape, so let's cut it out with this scissor. Yeah, now it opens, and here it is, the new one. Let's take, here's some pom-pom, things like these, that look like antennas. And here we have some yarn. Let's get the other stuff out. Some stickers and more stickers. And what else? There's just some screws and bolts and all this stuff. And here we have some instructions, I think. Okay, but we'll keep it on here. All these books and what's this? Okay, we'll just keep it here. And this here. Okay. And more yarn. This lady stuff in here. Now let me close the box, and now let's open this up. Now I open the box, and look at this. It says welcome to KiwiCo. This one says Kiwi Crate Explore, a magazine to experiment, learn, and play. Here's an arcade, and what's this? It says arcade, and here's the top. And here we have a unique sticker for you, and it says collect a unique sticker and each create. Now let me go into this. And then we can. Yeah. And now we're. Here we have all of what you get, all these things, rainbows, straw, and all this stuff. Alright, now let's start building. And also we have a lot of stuff and a lot of work. Let me take this here. Now let's take and there it is. Now let's check what's next. Spring. It says tie a double knot. This one and this one. Okay, I'm gonna do these both as I go with this. So let me add them. And what's next? Okay. This one. Alright, I made my claw. It really took an hour. And do you wanna see it? See it? Here it is. Wow, isn't that cool? Okay, I'll try grabbing this pop-up. Really like this cloth, and thanks to Kiwi. And bye-bye.